The U.S. Supreme Court granted a last-minute reprieve to a Texas inmate scheduled to be executed last night. Ruben Gutierrez, who was convicted of murder, says his religious rights were being violated. Under current Texas policy, a priest would not be able to accompany Gutierrez, who is a Catholic, to the death chamber. Correspondent Mark Irons reports.
Ruben Gutierrez was scheduled to die last night, but his execution was stayed approximately 1 hour before it was set to begin. One of his attorneys argued, as a devout Catholic, Mr. Gutierrez's faith requires the assistance of clergy to help him pass from life into afterlife. But an updated Texas prison system policy bans clergy from the death chamber.
We think it really is a matter of religious freedom.
Chris Pagliarella with Beckett, a group focused on religious liberty, says it's very rare for the Supreme Court to halt executions.
I think it should be encouraging to people to see that the court is being very careful with these important religious rights.
The Texas Catholic Conference of Bishops also filed an amicus brief with the High Court on Gutierrez's behalf.
The clear teaching of the church is that all people are worthy of mercy and forgiveness.
Gutierrez was convicted of fatally stabbing an 85-year-old woman in 1998. Though Texas bishops have fought the use of the death penalty, the executive director of the Texas Catholic Conference of Bishops says the state should allow chaplains to accompany prisoners to the execution chamber.
We should have the access to the sacraments and chaplains in order to do this. And there's a rich church history of this. St. Catherine of Siena accompanied a prisoner that she befriended all the way to the execution block when the blade fell.
And that was Mark Irons reporting for us tonight. Gutierrez has long maintained that he did not commit murder. His attorney says that there is no physical or forensic evidence connecting him to that crime. And back in 2018, Pope Francis ordered a revision to the catechism, updating it to describe the death penalty as inadmissible.